Ready? Start. No member of the previous Council of Ministers has found a place in the reconstituted ministry led by Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel in Gujarat. Full stop. Of the 25-member Council of the BJP, 9 members, including the Chief Minister, are first-time legislators. Full stop. Only 3 members have any previous ministerial experience. Full stop. 10 are cabinet rank ministers, 5 are MOC with independent charge and 9 are MOS. Full stop. 7 belong to the Patidar community which got the lion's share. There are 4 from STS, 2 from SC communities and 8 from the various OBC castes. Full stop. The BJP hopes to blunt the anti-incumbency sentiment against it before the state goes to polls next year through this clinical scrubbing. Full stop. The party has been in power since 1998 without a break. Full stop. Over the years, several ministers had become power centers and many were accused of being arrogant and aloof. Full stop. The previous Vijay Rupani government had ministers who continued from councils led by Keshubai Patel, Narendra Modi and Anandiben Patel. Full stop. While the chief ministers changed, political heavyweights such as Nitin Patel, Kaushik Patel, Bhupendra Singh Chudasama and Saurabh Patel continued as influential ministers. Full stop. They have all been eased out this time. Full stop. Whether they will quietly fade away or create trouble for the new chief minister is an open question. Full stop. Para. The BJP has done a balancing act in ensuring representation for major caste and communities while cutting out veterans to rope in fresh faces. Full stop. Purushottam Solanki, who served as a junior minister in all BJP governments due to his formidable hold over the numerically strong Koli community in the Saurashtra region, has been dropped. Full stop. 3 Koli leaders who have been indicated are not influential beyond their own seats. Full stop. Similarly, tribal representatives in the council are also relative lightweights. Full stop. The BJP may be raising a new leadership for the party among different communities and regions to tackle the many barriers in the path to yet another assembly victory and beyond. Full stop. Some leaders sidelined in the past by the party tried to revolt but few survived eventually. Full stop. The change of guard in Gujarat and the composition of the new Council of Ministers suggest that the party leaders in the state have little autonomy or control over their own fate. Full stop. The blueprint of the BJP Gujarat strategy is firmly in the control of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. Full stop. They draw their strength considerably from their control of the party Gujarat government. Full stop. The new council is indebted to the central leadership at least to begin with. Full stop. The question is whether they can marshal enough support for the BJP continuing dominance in a state that is critical for its national hegemony. Full stop.